I'm feeling proud of you for this movie, sir.
Really matter.
জানো জানো
ম্যাডাম বাহার উঠি চালো তো বাহার আসিব
জানো ইয়ারা
রহস্য তলକୁ ଯିବେ
But I'm still waiting for you there. And my
Again,
she's my
I
elder daughter,
have come
doctor.
again.
And you have met her when she was a child.
Yes, yes. Hello, Mama. I'm coming to you. Again.
Mahanadi Vihar Mithindu. Okay.
I remember again. I remember very well.
And it's a very good.
कौन चलो भाई हमारे घर पे रोज मुख भाई कौन चलो भाई कौन चलो अब चलो कौन चलो
But give you very good problem. And I know about your father. She is a painter.
हां
She's an artist. And she has got many awards. Her painting has gone to 72 countries. Lalit Kala Academy Award. And just now the governor passed away. And she has also got yeah. And she cannot walk, still suffering from muscular dystrophy. And hardly
People are specially able.
no.
She is specially able.
Her disease has got no treatment. And actually, her times are.
She
Okay, please.
she's going to make the
भाई चलो कौन चलो
Yes,
चलो
This is Amrita.
कौन चलो
She's Amrita and she's Devasmita. She's the elder daughter doctor.
The Koti question. ଆଗେ କେତେ ଆପଣ ଯା ପଡିବ
ମୁଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିଛି ମୋତେ କେତେ ସମୟ ହେଲାଣି ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ୱେଟିଂ ଫର୍ ୟୁ
ସୋ ସରି ସେ ଭିଡରୁ ବାହାରି ଆପଣ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବାକୁ ପଡିଲା
ଆଉ ତାକୁ ଆପଣ କହିବେନି ତମେ
ଅମୃତା
ठीक है भाई साइड मोबाइल मोबाइल
ବେଷ୍ଟ ୱିଶେସ୍ ତମକୁ ମୁଁ ତମ ସହ ସେଲ୍ଫି ନେଇଯିବ ମୋ ଫୋନଟା